Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Welcome to the newly divorced bachelor pad. And this client had specific requests, i.e. the colors red and purple. He wanted it to be masculine, but yet inviting to a female. Let's get ready to explore. 1,500 feet, it's not a lot of space, but we are going to do the best that we can. The entryway was a long galley entryway, but it was only about 4 feet wide, so it didn't have a lot of personality. Decided to take this large wall as soon as you walk in and create a gallery wall. I placed 3 mirrors on this wall so that the light can reflect back into the space, and it opened up the space. The mirrors have a diamond star inlay and they're absolutely gorgeous. On the opposite side, there was a small wall enough for just a little side table. Added a purple lamp, set it on top. Next area is a small powder room, so I wanted to do something a little special for the client and added the wainscoting and wallpaper. It's a tone on tone, it's a light gray. The entire house was gray, so that set the theme. Let's get to this great room, which is one large size room, and it needed to do triple duty. House a television, have a seating area, an eating area combined with a kitchen. We also needed to add storage in the space. I incorporated all of the colors. I think for this first room, we hit the nail on the head with colors. The sofa is a light taupe. I brought in the purple, green, and then the gray. Added texture and pattern. Purple is everywhere. Purple and green inside of the pillows, the purple vase. Added a mirror for additional reflection and contrast to the space so it didn't seem boring. Faux plants were added. Since the space was small, I definitely wanted to have as many reflective surfaces as possible. The mirrored lamp that you see. Mixing up colors was key to making sure that the space was not boring. It had character and style. In the center between the kitchen and the great room, we decided to add an eating table. This eating table seats 6, but it can expand to 10. Colors are dark, durable, but the chairs are wood, iron, and the white seats is a faux leather. Added in elements of purple every chance that I could get because that was absolutely his favorite color. Decided to bring the purple downstairs, not bring in as much red so you don't see purple and red in the same room. Notice the countertop. They were selected prior to accepting the project, and I couldn't do a whole lot, but one thing I did want the client to do was replace the countertop on the island. It's a small piece. It wasn't going to cost a fortune. Replacing that countertop with one small area and slab of quartz was the ticket. It opened up the space and it made the world of difference. Absolutely love this concept. I've talked to you guys about it before. If you can't replace all of your countertops, decide on a very large piece and it will definitely open up the space and appear even brighter. Place 2 pendant lights over the island, and you see there's additional seating with the bar stools. They're made of lucite so that they completely disappear. The stairwell had a window, but it still appeared to be dark because of the color gray. I took that opportunity to add one large wall art, and it had loads of purple. This is the first introductory to the color red, and that's on the stairwell, and then you'll see more of it on the second floor. The client is an avid cyclist. This light fixture is made with spokes and wheels. That's the beauty of hiring a designer. They will find things for you that you will see inside of a store. added more color to the laundry room and decided to go with the color orange. Orange works very well with red and purple. Upstairs in the primary bedroom, the color was gray and it was really dark. I lightened it up because I knew I was going to have a featured wall, and this wall is drop dead gorgeous. It's actually made of real wood. It acts as a headboard and a focal point for the room. Added drapery, and this was an opportunity. Instead of having the entire room being red and white, I thought that was a little elementary, and then red is not necessarily a go-to color, but it is definitely what the client wanted. So I added in black, and I took the opportunity to bring in pops of black in the drapery, the base of the bed, and I wanted to apply a wow factor with the red. Hence the rug, which is a chevron red and white rug. Enjoy the video, leave a comment, let me know what your favorite part. Until next time, make every day a great day.
If you like this video, hit that like button or subscribe. You will be notified each time there is a new upload. Until next time, make every day a great day.